My name is David. I live in a small apartment in the city. Today has been a busy day. Now, I am standing in front of my door, and I have a problem. I have lost my keys. I looked in my pockets. I looked in my backpack. I opened every small pocket. But the keys are not there. I have checked my bag 3 times. Still, I can't find them. This morning, I woke up early. I made coffee, took a shower, and left the house. I went to the store. I have been to the store, the bank, and the library today. Maybe I lost my keys in one of those places. First, I went to the store. I bought some apples and bread. I paid with cash and put the change in my bag. Maybe my keys fell out there. Then, I went to the bank. I talked to the woman at the desk. I signed some papers and put them in my bag. I remember hearing a noise, maybe it was my keys. After that, I walked to the library. I sat down and read a book for an hour. I didn't open my bag there. I have walked a lot today. I have visited 3 places. But I don't know where my keys are. I have called the store. They didn't find any keys. I have also called the bank. No one has seen them. I didn't call the library yet. I feel tired. I want to go inside. I need to sit down. I have lived in this apartment for 2 years, and this is the first time I have lost my keys. I think I need to call my friend. He has a copy of my keys. I have already sent him a message. He hasn't answered yet. Now I'm waiting. While I wait, I think about the day. I have learned something today. I must be more careful with my things. 10 minutes later, my phone rings. It's my friend. He says he's coming now. I smile. I feel happy. I will get inside soon. The present perfect tense is used to talk about 1. Experiences in life, when the time is not important. I have visited Paris. 2. Actions that started in the past and continue now. She has lived here for 5 years. 3. Recent actions that are important now. I have lost my keys. Structure, subject plus have, has, plus past participle. Keywords often used with present perfect, ever, never, already, yet, just, for, since. Examples: I have just finished my lunch. She has never seen snow. Have you ever been to London? Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks. Answers. Exercise 2. Make questions. Answers. Exercise 3. Correct or incorrect. Answers. In this lesson you learned how to use the present perfect tense to talk about recent actions, life experiences, and situations that started in the past and still matter now. Keep practicing this tense in your own life. Talk about what you have done, where you have been, and what you have never tried. See you in the next lesson.